Hi there, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about decoke sets, or decarb sets, or top end gasket sets. It's basically a set of gaskets that you'll need if you're going to take your cylinder heads off and refit them and reseal them. This one here is an RH2379. It's a Silver Shadow gasket set. We do a full range of decoke sets from 1946 up to 2004. So this is a V8. You can see it's got the 2 cylinder head gaskets. These are OEM quality, OEM from the OEM supplier. We've got a set of uprated valve stem seals. They come in this set. The cork rubber rocker cover gaskets. There is an uprated version of these available if you want to go for rubber. It's got the exhaust manifold gaskets, carburetor gaskets, inlet manifold gaskets, inlet to carb gaskets, triangle cover gaskets. These are the earthing strips for the rocker cover and the bushes, and these are for the, I think these are EGR valve. We try and replicate exactly whatever is in the Bentley kit. So, for example, something that no one will ever really use is these valve collets. I think the only reason you'd ever change these, because there's 32 on a car, and there's 2 in the kit, in the Bentley kit, so I'm guessing they think someone's likely to lose a couple. So you get a couple of collets in there. Changing the head gaskets over on a Shadow is quite a big job. The hardest part about it is going to be getting the cylinder heads off, because you get a lot of rust build up on the studs, and if it's an old engine and it hasn't ever been done, you're going to struggle to lift off those heads. Sometimes you need to get them hot, but if it's not for that, it's not particularly daunting task. It's just a lot of stuff to change. You can't really go too wrong because it's an underhead cam. When you've got an overhead cam, you have to worry about the timing, but that's all done with a gear, which you don't touch when you take the cylinder heads off. So, but I would say it's a specialist job just because of the amount of hours involved, and you don't want to end up dropping something down there and turning the engine over and breaking something. So I would say this is for a specialist. We offer OEM gaskets at a reduced price, which is why our kit is better than the OEM kit if you're going straight to Bentley. All our Prestige parts come with a 3-year warranty, and as you check out our range online, you'll see that there's decoke sets for all your models. The 6-cylinder we have as well. There's 3 different types of gaskets on that one. You got the early copper asbestos or asbestos substitute, and then the pressed steel one for the S1. That's pretty much all there is to say about this. We've still got our competition running. This is going to be another question to give you a chance to win the Bentley hat and also a goodie bag. So the first person to answer will win it. The question is, what is the final torque tightening figures for the cylinder head on a Silver Shadow? So I know they go in 2 stages. It's the final stage torque tightening figures in pound-feet, please. So the first one to answer that question will win the Bentley hat and a goodie bag. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.